Unboxing the next mini brands, fill the fridge. We still need the eggs, ice, and other things. Ooh, first magnet, the grocery list. Oh, another soy sauce. Triplicate, maybe fish. A duplicate, I've already got the fish. It's mini. That's my first mini one. Water. Yep, I'm wanting multiple of these, but this is still a dupe. Ooh, I haven't got this one. This is the original Rumble. Retro? No. Yes! The IHOP. What? The pancakes. I'm so happy. I've been wanting those IHOP ones. We don't have IHOP in Australia, but I've heard about it. That makes me happy. Oh, it's a pudding. Pudding glue, chocolate pigment, little jelly mold, and then this would just be the plate. I'll make these and show you how they turn out.